And what I love about the staging, and I like how they set this up. Boom, 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 boom. David with StonePark. Let me show you another one of our developments. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-den, 2-bathroom, 1,100 square foot condo unit. Right here, we're in the living area, and I like this being staged because I remember this being empty. I don't remember it being so big. We got a sofa here, ottoman, table, couple chairs, lamps, the whole nine. So I love this. I love how people can sit down and actually imagine that this could be their home. I want to also mention the high ceilings. So this is a lower level. So what we want to do is create a lot of natural light. And we did so with these huge windows. Luckily, this is historic and it did work to our advantage. We were able to keep these big windows giving nice natural light throughout the unit. So I love that. One of my favorite parts here, the kitchen. Still needs some appliances, but you can see it's basically done. Beautiful countertops, I believe it's quartz. We went with the black fixtures, gunmetal. We always go back and forth, whether white, metal, gunmetal. This looks beautiful because you have the black cabinetry, waterfall, like we always do. And what I love about the staging, I like how they set this up. Boom, 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 boom. This shows that you can eat here, you can relax here. This is almost like an entertainment area. So when you put these chairs, you put life into the kitchen. And obviously you have these little fixtures that help. Dining area, I am a fan of the circular table, doesn't take too much room. HVAC is here, a stacked washer and dryer will be here. So everything will be nice and tight, compact, efficient. This is the den I'm talking about. Now I don't wanna say it's a bedroom, and the reason why we don't say it's a bedroom, where's your window? So as you can see, we went with bright lights to give it light, and you do have a closet here. So really you do need a window for it to be called a bedroom. What I would do if I lived here, I would make this an office easily. But we just want to show the different options of what you can do. Next up, you have your bathroom. So this is the first bathroom. It's a full bath. And look at the ceilings. So this is a lower level unit, but look at these ceilings. We went all the way up with the tile, and it's a pretty big shower. So there's a lot of space to work with. Went with the gray vanity and black fixtures. And we'll go into the main bedroom. Nice big size. You got the king bed. You have the 2 windows in the back, so we're creeping in some natural light. But we have a bonus here, voila. This is not your average size door if you look at it. And a lot of people don't get that. An average size door is probably right around here. So we went with the big door, that we put that window here, which is gonna create the natural light or give that natural light to the room. We have a nice big closet right here, walk in. And my favorite part of the unit is this bathroom. Look how big that bathroom is. You would think that it would be half the size, but no. We gave a lot of room to the bathroom, and I like how the architect designed this area. I'm not really a fan of tight bathrooms. I like space, and especially if you're gonna share a bathroom with a significant other. If you look at this, Carlos, we have the double sinks. You want space. So if my wife is here, I want to be able to walk around her, take a shower. So that's a plus. Again, the black fixtures, love them. Mirror, light fixture, all black. So again, we were going with a lot of gold in our other properties. With this one, we decided to go with black. So that's going to do it. Tell me what you liked about the property. Me, the 2 things. 1, this spacious living room. Not only do I have room this way, but I have room this way. The next thing was that large main bathroom. Surprisingly big, but perfect. Let us know what you think. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, see you later.